Hello YouTube family, this is Angela coming to you with another video, and today I will be eating shrimp po' boy sandwiches. Let us say our prayer first. Amen. So y'all, today I have popcorn shrimp po' boy sandwiches. This is the pack. I made 2 packs, and it's a lot. I should have just made 1 box, but this is a family size pack. I made 2 of these. So on here I have Miracle Whip, onions, lettuce, tomato, pickle, and boom boom sauce. This is the boom boom sauce. All I had was the Great Value kind. I couldn't find no other kind of boom boom sauce but the Great Value kind. And some things I don't buy. I only buy a few things Great Value. I don't buy everything Great Value, but for that I had to get Great Value. So if y'all know where they sell boom boom sauce at, that's not Great Value, let me know. But if that's all they have, that's what I'm gonna have to do. Well, have y'all ever heard of boom boom sauce? And I got this bread. Only place where I live at you can get this bread is at Aldi's. This the Italian beef bread. That's the only way I can find this bread is at Aldi's. But I heard of boom boom sauce when I was working at a hotel. I used to work in the kitchen. And they used to always use boom boom sauce on their shrimp. I got a bad drink. The coconut, my favorite. My husband said put some Thousand Island dressing on here. I'm gonna put a little on there. My pickle. You don't want your bread to be dry, so you put like Miracle Whip or whatever dressing you want. Y'all, we buy popcorn shrimp and we just eat on it and eat it. And a couple weeks ago we had it. And I was like, I'm making me some po' boys next time. Because when we make them, they be so hot and good. And I'm like, I'm making me some po' boys. Then I caught a blessing that had V on their pickles. It was buy one, get one free. Because I like to keep one in the cabinet, one in the refrigerator. And I was just thinking I had to go buy me a couple of pickles. And I went up there today and they said, buy one, get one free. And I went to Walmart today and I forgot to get the pickles. That's what made me go to Hy-Vee to get the pickles. Because I forgot to get the pickles at Walmart. I had two of these box drinks. I drunk one earlier. These coconuts are so good, y'all. They got like blueberry and strawberry and all that, but the coconut. Okay, y'all see that boom boom sauce on there? That's what it look like. It's probably gonna be all on my face when I bite this. So y'all went to Walmart again today and still forgot to look at their lights. So I know when I go to Target, I'm not gonna forget. So I need me a new light. And even if y'all don't want to make no shrimp po' boy, we just fry those, or you put it in the oven. We just eat it like that, and it tastes so good. I used to work at Popeyes, and I remember working at Popeyes. This is how they made it with the lettuce, tomato, pickle. It was so good. I'm so full. Mm. My onion. Let's add another one of these. Yeah, I'm sad it's late. We've been running all day. We went to Walmart, and my husband's trying to look for him a coat all day today. He found him a nice little hoodie. Um, I guess he found him another coat, and I had to help my daughter get her stroller and stuff put up. Man, it's so good, y'all. I ain't got no more either. I ate the other one, drunk the other one earlier. But yeah, we had to help her get her stroller and stuff put up. So, I'm running all day. And the store that my husband went to got his jacket from, I think some stuff in there I want. I told him we got to go back in there. And I didn't get my groceries yet, so I'm not spending my grocery money. So my other money I had. So that's why I didn't get what I wanted. I said we're going back up there. I'm that type of person. I could probably buy something, but my house got to be in order before I do anything. Yep, and he know that too. Yeah, the house got to be in order before I do any extra. He know he had made sure he had money, his money put up for him to buy him a coat. He was buying his little stuff, and I wanted me some, but I'm like, nope. We're not doing no extra to my house taking care of my food and my stuff. I do laundry. That's just how I am. I don't do nothing extra. That's just like if I was to go out of town. I go out of town, your bill stuff got to be paid first because you got to come back home to that. Everything got to be taken care of. I wouldn't take no trip if my stuff ain't taken care of at home. I don't do none of that because I don't like that on my conscience. So if you want to have a clear mind and a free mind, half of it is take care of your business. Because that'll wreck your brain if your business ain't taken care of. And I try to take care of my business. So y'all, that is it. I do got some more popcorn shrimp in there. I'm just probably gonna eat it plain. Lay down and eat it plain. And I got this from Walmart. You just gotta find an Italian beef bread. Then just put what you want on the Miracle Whip, the boom boom sauce. The boom boom sauce right here. Boom boom shrimp sauce. Lettuce, tomato, onion, pickle. You can put jalapenos on it. You can dress it up how you want to dress it. It tastes good to me. How I dressed it. So, I will see you guys on the next video. And I did put my Walmart video up from earlier. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Everybody take care. What time is it? I'm going to tell y'all what time it is on a Saturday night. What time is it? He finna tell me. 11:01 p.m. on a Saturday night. And hopefully when I get done washing the dishes, I can lay down and watch me a movie or something. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Take care. I'm ready to get to these 10 more seconds. A few more seconds. You want to say something? Are you standing there? You standing there looking? Okay, y'all. Take care. Thanks for watching.